Yes, plumbing maintenance plans can be worth it in Dallas, TX, especially for homeowners dealing with hard water and shifting soil. These plans offer routine inspections, leak checks, and early detection that help prevent costly plumbing emergencies. In Dallas homes, especially older ones, proactive care is key to avoiding pipe corrosion, foundation-related leaks, and water damage. Plans often include priority scheduling, service discounts, and expert maintenance tailored to local conditions. Busy homeowners and high water use households benefit most from consistent monitoring and peace of mind. To protect your plumbing year-round, consider a customized maintenance plan from a trusted local provider like Hooper Plumbing.